Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay late filing fee under Section 234F online. We will begin by understanding why this fee is levied and how it impacts your tax obligations. Next, I'll guide you through the precise steps to calculate the correct amount you owe. Finally, we'll cover the entire online payment process, ensuring you can complete this task smoothly and efficiently from your home. Calculating your late filing fee under Section 234F depends on your income and filing date. If you file your return between August and December, a fee of 5,000 rupees is applicable. However, for individuals with a total income not exceeding 5 lakh rupees, this fee is reduced to 1,000 rupees. Be aware that if your return is filed after December, the fee significantly increases to 10,000 rupees, regardless of your income level. To pay your late filing fee online, first navigate to the official income tax e-filing portal. Once there, locate and select the ePay tax option from the Services menu. You will then need to choose the relevant assessment year for which you are filing late. After confirming these details, generate Challan 280 and proceed to make your payment using your preferred online banking or debit card method. After successfully completing your online payment, it is crucial to download and securely save the Challan 280 receipt. This document serves as proof of your payment. Within a few business days, you should also verify the payment status on the income tax portal to ensure it has been processed correctly. Remember to attach this Challan receipt when you finally submit your income tax return.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.